Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. As always, hope you guys had a fantastic day of trading today. And again, I want to thank you guys for the support on the channel. If you like the content, if you like the video series, feel free to like, share, and if you are so inclined, subscribe to the channel. And if you are a subscriber, make sure to hit that bell button to get alerts on all new content posted on the channel. Today I want to talk about another contrarian investment that I jumped into. You can see that stock here, L Brands. If we scroll to the bottom, you'll see that it is a number of different segments that you probably are familiar with. Victoria's Secret's Bath and Body Works International. It also has a few others down there, Pink, La Senza. A number of different segments. It's essentially a specialty retailer. And what makes this a contrarian investment is that this stock has been hit very, very hard over the last few months. You can see here, it is up today 1.25%. Over the last week here, kind of an up and down pattern here, up 0.29%. But if we take a look at some of the longer term here, actually over the last month, it's up quite a bit here, 12.47%. But over the last 3 months here, it's down 23.03%. Over the last year, down 37.73%. And you can see here, the 5-year graph, at one point it was up to $90 plus, and it's really pulled back quite considerably here. Again, you can see it's kind of jumping up here over the last 1 month, 12.47%. But I still don't think it's too late to jump into this particular stock. And again, the whole idea of buying into a contrarian investment style is essentially you're trying to buy a stock when it's kind of down at its low here, with the idea that if it trends up even just a little bit, it's going to be a very, very nice gain for you for a swing trade type of situation. So I'm looking to hold this stock probably somewhere between 3 months to 9 months. If I can gain about 10 to 15%, then I'm going to sell off. I'm going to be putting my limit sell orders in actually as a standing order. If it does breach 15%, I'm going to sell off, and I really think that's possible here. Again, you can see it's down quite a bit over the last 1 year here at 37.73%. And really, if we take a look at the $36 versus the $90 here, you can see it's well over about 60% down or so. So there's a lot of potential in this particular stock. Again, these are a little bit riskier types of investments. I've done this with GE. I've done this with Ford. Ford has been now reaping the rewards here. It's up to almost $12. Actually, I think it breached $12 today. Very good investment on Ford. And this is another type of stock that I'm trying to do another contrarian investment with. Kind of risky, but I do think there's potential. And the other great part about this stock is it's got a great dividend yield, 4.067%. If we take a look at some of the fundamentals as well, I do believe this dividend is safe. The payout ratio percentage is only around 40 to 50%. I think the last quarter was 58%. And if you guys remember from my prior videos, the payout percentage is essentially taking a look at the dividends that are given back to the investor versus the net income or earnings per share that the company is making. And really, the dividend given back to the investor is only 45 to 55% of the overall earnings per share. So that's very, very sustainable. You can see the market cap here, $11.90 billion. Again, that's more than half down what it was just about a year ago, a year and a few months ago. So I think this stock has a lot of room to grow. You can see on the left there as well, the 52-week low, 35, and it's currently trading 42.14. I jumped in again on the bottom here, 836.80 equity value at 41.84. So really have a little nice swing trade already set up. I could have done a day trade today and made a few dollars, but I'm going to be holding this a little bit longer term. If it does dip down again, I'm going to be putting in about $3,000 to $5,000. I put a little bit of equity value in. I didn't have a lot of free cash in the portfolio. I was going to kind of move around some investments. Unfortunately, the prices just didn't work out today. But I will try to free up some of my other stocks. I'm going to sell those off for swing trades and then take that capital and put into LB here, L Brands. Again, a little bit of a risky investment, a contrarian investment, but they have played out very, very well so far in the portfolio. And again, I kind of like this strategy, buying stocks when they are kind of beaten up and stocks that have quality companies. Again, these are companies that are well known. Victoria's Secret's Bath and Body Works. I think these are very good companies moving forward. Yes, they have had some downturn in their particular market industry, but again, that's the whole point of a contrarian investment, is you buy them when they're essentially on sale, and then when they tick up just even a little bit to get back to where they were, you're going to have a very nice return. And then if they do start performing well as well, then you have that compounded. Not only do they kind of trend up to where they were, but they'll trend up even higher with the strong performance either in their market segment or with their company individually. So that's what I'm doing with the portfolio, putting a little bit of money into, again, LB, L Brands here. This is Victoria's Secret, Bath and Body Works, Pink, some other name brands as well on the bottom there. That's not all of them by any stretch of the imagination. You can take a look online to see all the brands in this particular company. It has a lot of popular brands, and a lot of these have a lot of loyal customers as well. So because of that, jumping in, going to putting in $3,000 to $5,000 a little bit later in the week, and especially if this does trend down any more than it has. Again, kind of missing an opportunity here, 12.47% up over the last 1 month, but I still think this has a lot of room to kind of rebound here. So that's what I'm doing with the portfolio. Let me know what you guys think about this trade. Is this a good trade? Have you guys already jumped into this stock, perhaps? Or is this something that you're just now hearing about and is sort of appealing to you? Let me know either way what you're doing. And yeah, not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it there. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Until next video, we'll see you then.